Hey guys, Marcus Stone here, welcome to my channel. In this short video I'm going to show you how to edit a page in your Squarespace website. So without further ado, let's get started. So once you open the site, the Squarespace website, and go to, I assume you have already picked a template or you already have a page that you like and you want to edit it. So I'm just going to quickly start with this one because and I want to show you very quickly how to edit a template. So once it loads, you can just add the title right here. I'm just going to use this one and just skip everything else. And as you can see here, this is the template right here, and there's an assistant that is going to help you edit your template. But I'm just going to show you very quickly. There's a button right here, and if you click on it, you will edit the home page. If you want to edit another page from your website, if you click here, you can see all the pages that the template has given you, and you can add a page right here. Okay, you can just name it how you want it. I'm just gonna keep it new page. If you want to add a store, you can just click here and just you can pick from the template right here. And as you can see, you have a store that has been created for you. And if you want to edit any page on your Squarespace website, just hit edit right here. So if you go back and you just switch between the pages, you can just click on the edit button every time you change a page, and then you can edit your page. So wherever you hover, whatever section you hover over with your mouse, there's you can see little icons that pop up. For example, here you can click on this one and you can add elements. For example, an image that you can add into this section. You can just load it from a computer, or you can also search for image online from their gallery that they offer as part of the subscription. So this is how you add elements. You can also add elements from here. So whenever you click on the blue one, you can add one whole element from the menu right here. And if you click here on this icon, then you can add these little elements into every block on the page right here. So this is how you edit your page, and if you are happy with your changes, you can just click save here and head onto another one, click on it, and then hit edit again, and you can just edit all the elements right here. I'm just going to add a little text right here. I am a little text. Okay. Yeah, sorry. You can just type here. I am a little text. Bam. Okay, there you have it. Once I'm happy with that, I just hit the save, and that's it. So there you have it, guys, how to edit a page in Squarespace. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.